Jain Cadet, today we are going to study life in the deserts. Question will arise, what is a desert? Desert is an arid region characterized by extremely high or low temperatures and has scarce vegetation. This desert is one of the important physical features which is seen on the earth, where water is not present, no vegetation, and temperature is either it will be very high or it will be very low. Water means life to plants, animals, and people. Water is very essential for all the living beings. It is difficult for anyone to live in places where there is no water to drink, where there is no grass for their cattle to feed on, and where there is no water to help the crops to grow. So water is very essential. There are physical features where water is not available. We can see from this figure, and from this figure it will be very much clear that we are talking about the desert. People have learned to cope with extreme harsh temperatures. In some places as hot as fire and some as cold as ice. There are the desert areas of the world. These are the desert areas of the world. We are talking about the desert. These are characterized by low rainfall, scanty vegetation, and extreme temperature. These are the three important characteristics of desert region: low rainfall, scanty vegetation, and extreme temperatures. Depending on the temperatures, there can be hot deserts or cold desert. Once again I am repeating, hot deserts or cold deserts, two types. The people inhabit these lands wherever little water is available to practice agriculture. In the desert region, wherever the little water is available, people used to settle around these water bodies in the desert region, and they are doing agriculture. This is the types of desert: hot desert and cold desert. Cold desert, hot desert. Hot deserts are found in tropical regions. Tropical region means the region between the Tropic of Cancer and between the Tropic of Capricorn. These are the belt in which tropical deserts are found, and the best example of tropical desert is Africa. This is the figure of Africa continent, and in the northern part of Africa, here it is having the Sahara desert. This is the example of hot desert. Cold deserts are found in high altitudes. Where are cold deserts found? The cold deserts are found in high altitudes of the temperate region. Temperate region means the region between the Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere, and between the Tropic of Capricorn to Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere. Here, when we talk about India, this region, Ladakh region, is the best example of cold desert. Maximum time it is covered with snow, where temperature is very low. The Sahara Desert. The Sahara Desert covering a large part of North Africa. Here is the North Africa continent, and Northern Africa is covering the shaded regions are desert, that is Sahara Desert. It is the world's largest desert. World's largest desert. It has an area of around 8.5 million square kilometer. This is the area, 8.5 4 million square kilometer. The Sahara Desert touches 11 countries. Which are those 11 countries? Algeria, Chad, Egypt, Libya, Mali, Mauritania, Morocco, Niger, Sudan, Tunisia and Western Sahara. These are the countries here. It is very much clear from the figure. These all are the countries in which deserts exist. When thinking of a desert, the picture that immediately comes to mind is that of sand. In desert region, we used to find sand. But beside the vast stretches of sands that Sahara Desert is covered with, there are also gravel plains and elevated plateaus with bare rocky surface. In the Sahara Desert region, beside the sand, there are other things also, that is gravel plains. Plains are also found, as well as elevated plateaus, and rocky surface are also there. Bare rocky surfaces are there. Rockier regions are also there. These rocky surfaces may be more than 2500 meter high at some places. Some places it is having the 2500 meter altitude area. You will be surprised to know that present day Sahara once used to be a lush green plain. Cave paintings in Sahara Desert show that there used to be rivers with crocodiles, elephants, lions, giraffes, ostrich, sheep, cattle and goats were common animals. But the change in climate has changed it to a very hot and dry region. So basically the change in the climate, because of the climate change, these Sahara deserts have been developed there. Earlier it was having green plain. So for today only this much, cadet. Rest we will be studying in next class. Thank you.